Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell about customizing ChatGPT. Okay, so this is free version. Okay, it's using GPT 3.5 model. Okay, um, here for that we can go to this our name, click on it. Okay, and you can see this option, customize ChatGPT. Okay, so here we can customize our um, prompts like we can provide custom instructions. Okay, like where you are based. Okay, I am from India. So from these details it will be responding. Say for example, if I'm asking about any currency something, it will be taking as INR even without specifying the details. Okay, I'm from India, I know Tamil and English. I am interested in emerging technologies. So based on these details, it will be assuming the things if you are not specifying full details. Okay, and it is about how ChatGPT should respond, like whether it should be casual or formal. Okay, you can say that casual. So it is applicable for all prompts. So we need to be very careful in providing details here. Otherwise, if you want the details for any specific prompt, just include when you are entering the prompt. Okay. So like that here, how long or short should be responses generally be. If you want shorter answer, shorter response like. So it is up to you how to make it work properly to you. Okay, just a trial and error you can do that. And once you set all these things properly, you can use for prompts, further prompts very easily without giving more details. As I explained previously, whenever we enter the prompts, it should be very specific. Then only we can expect proper output. Okay, so for making that task easy, this customization will be useful. Okay, so we can ask, hi, what is the current time? So since I mentioned that I am in India, it should be telling the time in IST, right? Uh, but it is not taking that. So as I said, we shouldn't completely rely on these AI tools. Okay, maybe I can test who is my prime minister of my country, minister of my country. So now it is giving the proper answer. So it is taking my custom settings. I mentioned as India, so it is telling the Prime Minister of India. Okay, okay, that is the purpose of this customizing ChatGPT. Okay, it is for this free version GPT 3.5. Okay, but apart from that, OpenAI is providing paid version, subscription based GPT-4 model. Okay, so for that we have to upgrade to GPT Plus. Okay, so that plus subscription involves like $20 US dollars per month. Okay, fees. Or you have to update into team version. That will be costing $25 per person per month. Okay, so as I mentioned previously, this free version is not having the latest data. Okay, so if you want to check the latest data, you need to upgrade into the plus. Okay, browse, create and use GPTs. Okay, let me explain that now. So generally it is like in Germany we can get the latest news, other things, right? So if you want that kind of features, you have to upgrade to plus. In case of ChatGPT, that free version is not having that capability. Okay, let us continue talking about customization. The free version, I explained about how to do the customization. You have to click this name and click the customize ChatGPT option. Then we can enter our instructions and then how to respond like that. it's kind of doing initial setup for our prompts. Instead of doing wrong assumptions, ChatGPT will be taking data from here if our prompts are very simple. Okay, so that will be helping us to save a lot of time, right? But apart from that, in case you're subscribed to the plus, in that case, you can use custom GPTs. Okay, uh, you can use anyone's third party's GPTs also. Okay, so it's the concept is same. We have to provide the instructions, other details, but you can create any number of that kind of GPTs, your own GPTs, as well as you can use other people's GPTs. So if you are a subscriber, you can see explore option, so that you can access by GPTs. chat.openai.com/GPTs. Here you'll be seeing explore GPTs, right? Here you can see all the GPTs, famous GPTs, okay, created by various different people. Okay, some companies. In case of Canva, it is created by Canva itself. Okay, so anyone can create their own GPT. Even here, you can, if you click create, in case you subscribed, it will allow you to create your own GPT. Okay, and apart from that, if your GPT is useful and many people are using that, then you can earn money from that also. OpenAI will be paying, making some payment for usage of your GPTs. Okay, a lot of useful GPTs are there. Okay, so you can explore it. It's for software development purpose, image generation, for writing, for design. Lot of things are there. Okay, so you can check it by clicking explore GPTs. But for that, you need to be a paid user. You can go to chart.openai.com/GPTs for seeing this. Okay, thanks.